Hey guys, what's up? I just got this over-the-door organizer. I need a place. I live in a really small house. It's a small condo, and I just don't have enough storage anywhere. And so I'm looking for all sorts of ways that I can increase my storage with limited space. So I just thought I'd open this up with you and take a look at all the pieces it comes with and what I think about just the construction and yeah, any other like quality thoughts. We'll talk about that. So we've got all of these baskets. Everything seems to be made of metal, which is nice. I really love opening stuff up and feeling like it's heavy duty, which I feel like is what we get here. These must be the bars that go behind and hang from the hooks that you then attach the baskets to. Looking at it straight away, I'm thinking the assembly looks like it's going to be pretty easy. I just need to get into this part. This is what's going to have like the screws and other like hardware pieces. And then these look like, this must be if you wanted to like stick pieces of it to a certain area. That's what I'm thinking this is. This looks like a, yeah, something like that. We'll have to look more closely at the instructions for some of that use. Let's go ahead and just cut this open and have a look here. These are the pieces of hardware. Again, metal, which I really like to see. We've got an Allen wrench, a couple of other little tools, and then some different screws. I would imagine you're only using this if you're putting something into like drywall. That would be my guess anyway. So you've got a few different installation options. These look like they're probably dividers for some of the boxes. That's going to be my guess on that. We'll take a look at the instructions though and see if I've got any of that wrong. And then this is the part that's going to go over the door. So that's pretty clear. Looks like these go right over the door. Then we're going to attach these bars, and then we're going to attach the basket to the bars. So yeah, that looks pretty straightforward. And here we have it, right? The instruction manual. You've got, just like we said, attaching the bars to the hooks, laying that over the door, attaching the baskets to it, and then you've got these little hooks at the bottom, which I forgot about, but that is going to be really handy. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. Everything right there on the front page, just 6 steps to getting it done. This does say this was for the drywall if you're mounting it, and this is a fixing sticker. So I would imagine that probably helps to hold it in place. Yeah, we can see these here. So when you mount it, you can have that, and it's going to hold it and keep the bars right from swinging around. So, okay, yeah, pretty sweet, pretty straightforward. I'm happy with it. I really like that it's made of metal. I'm not going to put you through watching me assemble it, but I will make another video once I've got it hanging on the door to just show what all it can hold and all of that. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.